Friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'll be comparing the display comparison between the OnePlus 80 device, as you can see, friends, OnePlus 80 and the Samsung Galaxy M51 device and the Poco X3 device. The Poco X3 is kind of a mid-range segment mobile phone, and the Samsung Galaxy M51 is slightly above mid-range segment mobile phone, and the OnePlus 80 is all these three smartphones are using different kind of technologies. So the Poco X3 has the IPS LCD panel, and the Samsung Galaxy M51 has the Super AMOLED Plus panel, and the OnePlus 80 has a Fluid AMOLED display. So let's see, friends, which display will be having the advantages and disadvantages, and which has more contrast and saturated and brightness levels as well. And in case if you are interested what live wallpaper and what wallpapers, punch hole wallpapers I'm using, try to check the links in description for the wallpapers and all the playlists for the smartphones as well. So you can find all the videos available in each individual smartphones playlist and even the wallpaper playlist as well. So let's get started with the first introduction of the display specifications in all of the three smartphones. So let me begin with the first is the screen size. As you can see, 6.67 inches, 6.67 inches, and the OnePlus 80 has a 6.55 inches. I think the Samsung Galaxy is kind of 6.7 inches. It's something wrong here. And even this Poco X3 has the IPS LCD panel and Super AMOLED Plus display and the Fluid AMOLED panel on the OnePlus 80 device. And resolution is kind of same. And the pixel density is slightly more on the OnePlus 80 because of having the small screen size. And in terms of the refresh rate, both are pretty good. 120 Hz refresh rate, Poco X3 and the OnePlus 80, and 240 Hz touch sampling rate, and even the 240 Hz touch sampling rate, and Gorilla Glass 5 protection, But the Samsung Galaxy M51 doesn't have any higher refresh rate. There is no Gorilla Glass 5 protection. It's only Gorilla Glass 3, as you can see here. So these are the few comparison between the smartphones. And in terms of the brightness levels, the Poco X3 has brightness of 450 nits, and the Samsung Galaxy M51 has brightness of 420 nits, and the OnePlus 80 has a brightness of 1100 nits, so which is very powerful on the OnePlus 80 device. So let's compare the same video playing in all the three smartphones, and let's see which phone will perform better. And for better results, I did keep the colors to the vivid colors. Let me try to show you. And in the OnePlus 80, there is an option of selecting the advanced option with the AMOLED wide gamut as well. But in the Samsung Galaxy, you don't get that kind of option. You do get only vivid options, as you can see. I did select the vivid options. In the advanced settings, you don't have this kind of options here. So in the Poco X3, there is no such options as well because of having the IPS LCD panel display, but there is a software optimization is going on, which I'll try to cover in this video. So right now I'm trying to play the same video in all the three smartphones with a full brightness mode turned on. So you can see the difference between all the other two smartphones when you compare to the OnePlus 80. So as you can see the brightness level, how much saturated it is and how much brighter it is on the OnePlus 80 side. So let me try to decrease the studio lighting effects a little bit so you might be able to notice the difference. So the middle phone is a Samsung Galaxy M51 device, the middle device. So in case if you're wondering, because the Poco X3 and the Samsung Galaxy, they both have the same kind of punch holes exactly in the middle, so you might be able to confuse between both of the smartphones. And punch hole in the Poco X3 is very small than the M51 device. So this is a side viewing angles of the mobile phones from different directions, so you might be able to see the difference from each device. So right now let me try to increase the software optimization thing in the Poco X3 device. So what I'm talking about, there's an option to increase the colors. So let me try to utilize to the maximum colors, and you can see the difference right now only if you increase the colors, how much brighter it is on the Poco X3 side. So now let me try to decrease the brightness in all the smartphones to the 50% exactly. So let's see in the 50% which phone will be having the better viewing angles and the display. So let me try to zoom in a little bit. So you can notice on the Poco X3, the sky is kind of eye saturated because of the options which I did select the software options. So which is very powerful, friends, in the Poco X3 device. If you compare with other smartphones, if you use this kind of customization in the Poco X3 device. So you can see the huge difference from the OnePlus 8T to the Poco X3 as well. As you can see how much difference for the same brightness level, even with the Samsung Galaxy M51 as well. So let me try to hold in all together, so you might be able to see the difference. You can see the difference clearly if you compare side by side like this. So now let me try to decrease the brightness to 0. So all the phones are at 0 brightness levels and pretty good in the 0 low light performance as well. So no issues with that. So you can happily watch the videos during the night time when you're traveling without disturbing the side passengers. So this is overall a quick display comparison between all the three smartphones, and for more display comparisons and other reviews on the smartphones, don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.